Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to roast your groundnuts known as peanuts using your oven. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and let's get started. To begin, I have some peanuts, also known as groundnuts. Next, now I went ahead to pick out any bad one or rotten ones or dirty ones out. Yeah, which of course if you did not do this, you might end up not enjoying your roasted peanuts. Once that is done, pour in a small basin or a container or bowl, depending on the quantity of peanut you are using. Okay, now rinse the peanut in cold water briefly. This helps to remove excess dirt. Once done rinsing, allow it to dry for about 5 minutes extra, okay? While we are waiting, go ahead and dissolve some salt with water. Stir until it is well dissolved and set aside. This is optional. Next, now transfer the peanuts in a bowl. Then add in the salt mixture, mix to combine. If you do not want salted groundnuts or peanuts, please feel free to skip this process. Once you are done mixing, go ahead and spread the peanuts on a baking tray. Leave it for some minutes. Let the peanuts absorb the salt mixture. After some minutes now, place in the peanuts in the oven and bake, stirring once or twice during the baking to avoid burning. Now we are checking on the peanuts. Yay! To know your peanut is done roasting, the skin should be loosened and the peanut should be golden brown, okay? And we are done. Look at how it looks here, okay? And let it cool down completely before serving. When the peanut comes at room temperature, rub the peanut between your palms to peel off the skin. As you can see on the screen here, I'm done separating the skin from the peanuts. Look at how neat and beautiful it looks. Yeah, so guys, store them in an airtight container and enjoy. Serve as snacks, enjoy with fruits, banana, cucumber. Can also soak with garri or in whichever way you prefer it. Thank you all for watching. And remember, blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.